Greetings to the viewers. Today, we are going to see about a tree that gave us the neuraminidase inhibitor, a potential anti-flu medication. From spice to savior, the birth of an anti-flu medication, from star anise. Hey everyone, and welcome to the fascinating world of science and nature. Today, we're taking a journey from the kitchen to the lab, exploring the incredible story of how a humble spice transformed into a powerful weapon against the flu. Get ready to discover the secrets of star anise, a star-shaped fruit with a surprising hidden power. Before knowing about the star of today's video, let us know what is flu. Influenza, commonly referred to as flu, is an acute respiratory infection that is spread by influenza viruses. It can occasionally result in death and cause mild to severe illness. As a member of the Orthomyxoviridae family, the influenza virus is classified into three serologically distinct types, namely Influenza A, B, and C. Because influenza virus C does not seem to cause significant disease, only influenza viruses A and B seem to be of concern as human pathogens. Meet the star anise. Star anise is obtained from a medium-sized evergreen tree named Illicium verum, which is native to northeast Vietnam and South China. Star anise, also known as Chinese star anise, isn't just a pretty face. This aromatic fruit has been a star in Asian cuisine for centuries, adding a unique licorice-like flavor to broths, meats, and the famous 5-spice powder. But beyond its culinary fame, star anise holds a secret weapon, a molecule called shikimic acid. The antiviral ACE, shikimic acid. Shikimic acid, a natural compound found in star anise, is like a tiny factory churning out essential ingredients for various plant chemicals. But one of its most important purposes caught the attention of scientists: its role in creating Oseltamivir, the active ingredient in Tamiflu, a medication that fights influenza A and B. Oseltamivir is a neuraminidase inhibitor and is a prodrug of the active metabolite, oseltamivir carboxylate. Oseltamivir is appropriate for treating acute, uncomplicated influenza A or B illness in adults and pediatric patients, including neonates greater than 2 weeks of age. Oseltamivir is also useful for influenza prophylaxis within 48 hours of contact with an infected individual in adults and children greater than 1 year of age. It is available in capsule form of 3 different dosages, 30, 45, and 75 mg, and an oral powder for reconstitution to suspension for pediatric patients. From spice to savior, the quest for shikimic acid. The flu virus, a cunning foe, can cause widespread illness and even death. As outbreaks became more frequent, the demand for Tamiflu soared. But there was a problem: extracting shikimic acid from star anise wasn't enough. Enter the heroes of science. Using cutting-edge biotechnology, they learned to create shikimic acid in genetically modified bacteria, ensuring a reliable and sustainable supply for this vital medication. Up to 90% of the global yearly star anise crop was utilized by Roche Pharmaceuticals until 2012, when they shifted to utilizing a bacterial source to produce shikimic acid. A legacy of nature and science. The story of star anise and the birth of Tamiflu is a testament to the power of nature and human ingenuity. From a star-shaped spice in a distant land to a life-saving medication, this journey reminds us of the endless possibilities that lie at the intersection of science and the natural world. So, the next time you see star anise in your kitchen, remember its hidden power. It's a reminder that even the smallest things can hold the key to remarkable discoveries, and that the quest for health often leads us on unexpected and fascinating journeys. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more science adventures.